In this video, I'll show you how to add captions on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the caption for. Now, what you can do is you can either go to the clip that you want to add the caption for, and you right click on it. Once you right click, you're going to go to transcribe to captions. And once you click on it, it's going to load up a transcription, and it's going to place it on your video. You can see it here. You can see that it has the transcription here. Now, there's also another way to do it. You can go to edit, and you can go to captions, and you can go to transcribe to captions, and it's going to do the same thing pretty much. And once you click on caption, you can see the caption here. We have the text color, but to make it more customizable, you're going to highlight the caption. And what you want to do is right click on the highlighted caption, and you want to go to duplicate captions to new format, and you want to choose CEA 608. Now when you choose this, you can see that now the caption becomes more animated. It's going to open a dialog box your project, and you can actually choose where you'd moving these arrows. You can choose the position where you'd want the caption to be. You can also do a lot of things like animate the caption with this customizable functions that you have here. Now that's how to add captions to Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.